What's up, guys? Back with another video, and today we were playing No Limit Drag Racing 2.0. So this is made by the same creators that made Off-Road Outlaws, and I have already gone ahead and done a couple races, customized my car. I think it's looking pretty good. I'm saving up for $10,000 tires, so I have like all the grip in the world. Go race, I guess. Do a quarter mile on an actual drag strip. Burn out time. You have to do this to warm your tires up. I smashed him. I smashed you. $6,000. I just need that $10,000. That's all I need. 10,500 from slicks. There. I have the speed on him. Okay, it's a tournament. So I can join. Ads suck. Dude, I hate ads. This is why they're Vietnam. No, she died. And I've never away. I don't care. Skipping. Okay, this tournament's illegal. I'm still doing it. His eyes are bigger than his. I just beat him. That was scary. Next round. Ooh. Do you have just straight tires on? Oh wait, it's straight tires to sensors. You want to have your tire temp in green? Otherwise your tires are too hot or too cold and then you don't get much grip. I smashed him. Oh my god, goodbye. Goodbye. Repair my engine. My tires are fine. How many more? One more race. Wait, a few more races and I win My tires are bigger than yours. Oh, nearly went over it. But it was down a bit. Beat me on that one. What? Just because I lost one race, I'd lose? That's sad. I'm going this one. I'll be up top. Oh, why do I need a big block? I have a small block. I don't need tournaments. Are you over here? Go rest over here. Any block, that's fine. Oh, I have a small block. Oh, I'll grab my block to a big block. Hey, it's a big block. It's not fair. Bam, bam, bam. Smash, beat him. Oh, another quick race. An 8th? Oh, it's a bigger one. It's a tournament. No, it's a quick race. I didn't change my name from player. Don't go down under, please. Please, please, don't cool down too much, guys. I have all the boost in the world now. It's only 30 boost. I make more boost than that. Nah, he beat me. Not upgraded enough. Thanks. I'm saying good luck at least. And later in this video we'll be doing some off-road outlaws as well. So we can go. No. Please. That's so easy. No, you're dumb. No, you put it up. Okay, some ads agitate me. So if you hear me swear, it's because I'm yelling at the ads. It's also another, that's career. It's also test and tune. Do something legal for us. I smashed you! Do that. 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 You can also go into multiplayer, which I haven't done yet. You can also go into free ride. You can join/host. Well, you can join/host private. Single player of that. This is multiplayer. The map's the same no matter what. You can drag, drift. What the? This is a drag game, not an off-roading game. If you want to play an off-roading game, go to Off-Road Outlaws or something. Oh. Oh, he wheels. Here's some power. But yeah, I bought this car, so if I sell it right now, I'll be happy. This is a piece of poop. Where do I find it? Where do I find the Jeep? I found the Jeep. And these guys have exhaust. I just realized that. Yeah, I bought this thing. I didn't have to, but I just wanted to. Maybe I should sell it and buy one. I know what I can do. That'll be a thing for next video. I just thought of deleting the game and then reinstalling and buying a Jeep. Not doing what he did. Not making an off-road car. Well, yeah, if I go on strip, it'd be funny. I want this thing. It looks like it's wheelie. This thing definitely looks like it's wheelie. Should I buy? I'm gonna buy one. How much is it? 100. Well, I can buy in real life money. Or I can buy it in just normal money, not in-game money. And I can buy Outlaw. It's like 3,000 horsepower. How about we find some? I know what if I go into modern and go here, find the one I want. You can go Outlaw. Oh, the exhausts are up there. What about street where you have no exhaust? Look, they have no exhaust. What's this one? For an Outlaw. I don't have that money. Maybe if I sold them. How much you sell for? Just asking. 14. How much do you sell for? 26, sure. 33. I mean, if I bought. Okay. A beyond the limit, it's kind of like Off-Road Outlaws edition. And this was like. See, this is what I tried to build. Sadly, my car won't be this powerful. Or I could buy one of you. I want to go through and see what cars are nice that I can buy. I think I'm like a Demon. Dodge Demon. I'm not going to cut this out because I don't know how to cut stuff out. So I'm just going to delete it quickly. No one saw that. And we're going to go back in here. Hey, ignore the recording up the top. Going back into here. And download it again. That's the first version of it. I never played that. And something for another video though. I just go through and get random games. All the time. Oh, see, like I don't have nitrous, so I don't have that much power. What? Wait a sec. I don't care. 1 sec. Do 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 do. How do you get to them? Okay. I know what I'm buying next time. Well, when it re-down. So while we wait for that to re-download, no one saw any of this. We're gonna go into Outlaws where it downloads and do random stuff. Maybe try and drag a motorbike. Yeah, I bet there's no one here. Sorry, I failed you guys. No, I'm not buying that. Do I need new trucks yet? No. What new? Oh yeah, they had new one. This thing's cool. Big nasty. I want to buy it, but I don't. Yeah, like and subscribe so I can buy a gaming computer or laptop. I only need $2,000. So like and subscribe. I need money. I'm poor. Downloaded yet? Let's go see. I have too many games. Edit home screen. Let's take you and move you somewhere. It's still in my hand. No, come here. I don't care, F1 mobile. Where'd that go? Where'd it go? Come back. You're not going back there. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Yo. Ah! No, go back in there. What's happening? Put that back. Oh, my screen. Oh God. My screen's breaking. Guys, I also need a new phone. So please like and subscribe no matter what. I'm just gonna end it in Off-Road Outlaws looking at my truck. So, what? Okay. So guys, this is the end of the video. I'm too lazy to keep filming. I'm gonna go check some other stuff and do stuff. So, peace out. I hope you guys have enjoyed this one, and this was really fun for me as well. So, peace out.